Krisp installation error? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when you just want to get it set up quickly. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, restart your computer. This clears temporary system issues that might block installation. Next, make sure you're installing the latest version of Krisp from the official website. Yeah, older installers can fail. Now, run the installer as administrator. This gives it permission to install properly, okay? Make sure you have enough storage space. Low disk space can stop installation. If you're using antivirus, try disabling it during installation. Yeah, sometimes it blocks setup files. Next, uninstall any previous version of Krisp before reinstalling. Old files can cause conflicts. Also, make sure your system meets the requirements. Unsupported systems may fail to install. Now, clear your temporary files. Yeah, corrupted temp data can block installation. If it's still not working, try using an offline installer. This avoids network-related errors. So yeah, that's how you fix Krisp installation errors. One of these steps should get it installed successfully. If this helped, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.